Good morning, Tim. This is Steve and Sheila. Toilet, you can see at the bottom this brown discoloration. It's always been there, and I've never been able to get rid of it permanently. All right, I'm going to pour the 4 gallons of water into the toilet now. They took it all and it got rid of it. Now I'm going to flush it, Tim. Listen to the sound. Hey Tim, this is Steve. I'm going to flush the toilet now. It's nice and clean. Ready?
If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.